Too early for stock investors to be fretting about the economy, about the elections, about Obama versus Romney or Gingrich? Is it too early?
I've got to believe that the stock market has got to be assuming that Obama is going to get reelected. He's going to squeak in. But I think the market is probably also assuming that the Republicans are going to take both the House and the Senate. So that kind of sort of second half Clinton-era gridlock is what stocks look forward to. Therefore, the election is not really a risk for stocks. The election is an opportunity for stocks. Think what it would do to investor sentiment to remove from the White House the man who uses the expression millionaire and billionaire as an insult, who flies around on Air Force One and criminalizes other people who have corporate jets. This guy is the enemy of capitalism, and if we get lucky and he is ejected from the White House, that'll be a stock market opportunity.
Right.
If he's just reelected, more of the same.
I hate it when he's so milquetoast, Larry. I mean, when you can't figure out where Luskin stands.
But I do want to point out, the in-trade pay-to-play betting parlor or investment betting parlor has Obama winning by a handsome majority right now. I think Obama gets close to 60% of the vote. So we'll keep that in mind. But I want to ask you this. It looks like this is going to be another year of gridlock. It looks like we're going to get something of a campaign speech tonight from President Obama. It is doubtful that there are going to be any deals reached about Simpson Bowles or super committees or debt reduction. Last year, those were bearish factors for stocks. That is to say, gridlock, no progress on debt. What's your take this year? Is this a warning flag?
I don't think it's a warning flag for this year because I think the government money is still out there. Nobody's really going to start contracting spending during an election year. I think that we probably need to be worried about what happens for the first quarter of next year. But for this year, I think that Congress pretty much will not enact any sort of austerity. So we're okay for 2012.
Super committee is going to get reopened because they can't take the trillion-dollar cuts in defense.
Right.
At that point, everyone's going to come in and say, we need more spending cuts, we need tax reform, and it may be gridlock. So does the market get optimistic and then get pessimistic when nothing happens?
No, I think that the market will probably continue to be pretty good. I always feel stupid saying things like this, predicting the market over the short term, but I kind of expect things to be fine through the summer, and as the rhetoric heats up coming into the fall, market could take its foot off the pedal a little.
Don Luskin, do you expect any change in Federal Reserve policy from Mr. Bernanke at tomorrow's news conference?
No, not a bit of it. And all this stuff about how they're going to start projecting each FOMC member's guess about the path of future interest rates. You know how much value that program's going to have? It's going to have the same value as interest rates themselves. Zero.
Yeah, but you still think we're going to see QE3, don't you? I mean, is it coming?
No, I don't still think that. I've never thought that. I don't think we're going to have QE3. I don't think we need it. And Bernanke knows we don't need it.
I don't think we need it at all, but I think that they're